Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're installing Upstream O2 sensors, or airflow sensors, what Toyota calls them, in our 03 Tundra with a 4.7 liter. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. The locations of the Upstream O2 sensors on this 03 Tundra with a 4.7 liter, driver's side is right there. And the passenger side is right there, almost in the same location. They are the same procedure though to remove and replace. So I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector to the passenger side Upstream O2 sensor. Like I said before, Toyota calls this an air-fuel ratio sensor. So if you were to go to Toyota and ask any questions, that's what they would call it. I can't get my hand up there, so I'm going to use a small screwdriver to see if I can pry that connector and pull at the same time. And that doesn't look too promising. Let's see if I can get up there. There we go. Okay, now that's disconnected, and I can get my O2 sensor socket and take that out. So I'm going to use an O2 sensor socket. If you've never seen one, it has a slot on the side. It's usually, I think it's a 22 millimeter socket or wrench. So I broke it free with my socket. I can turn it out by hand. You can see that's the tab that I was trying to break free. I had just taken my flathead screwdriver, brought it up, lifted the locking tab, and pulled that out. Here we have the O2 sensor from 1A Auto. It's a TRQ brand. Comes shipped with a plastic, it's in a sealed bag that I just opened up. Comes with anti-seize on the thread and a plastic shipping cap for that, because the reason for that, quickly, is an O2 sensor in here, these holes, is very sensitive. That if any chemical were to spill on it, this would be defective. So that on top of the protecting the threads, that's another thing, they're protecting the inside of the sensor. This is the one we took out. If you notice, the TRQ one has a nice rubber sleeve that's attached inside to stop water or damage to kinking the wires. And they both have the same 4-prong connector with the lock tab. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Bring it on up, find the O2 sensor spot and just hand tighten it in. It's kind of a difficult, it's actually out in the open, but I think because the angle, trying to center it, there we go. I'm going to snug that up so that I can, there we go. Now I'm going to use the O2 sensor socket and the ratchet. Make sure that ratchet's going the right way. That's fully from experience. Slide it on. And that O2 sensor has a crush washer, so you want to bottom it out and then good quarter turn. You'll feel the washer give like to it. Little boop, and then it stops. Now I'm going to connect the electrical connector. Make sure that the lock is going the right way. On this, it's facing down. The tab is down, so I'll put my hand right up in there, line it up, push it on, it will click. There we go. And that one is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.